Good morning, my lovely souls. So, today let's embark on a journey to heal your throat chakra through EFT tapping. Imagine yourself surrounded by a gentle, supportive energy, ready to express your truth and communication with clarity. So, we'll start with the tapping, we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I may sometimes struggle to speak my truth, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I may feel hesitant or afraid to express myself, I choose to speak with confidence and authenticity. Even though I may have fears of being judged or misunderstood, I trust in the power of my voice to create positive change. Even though I may have held into past hurt or trauma that have silenced me, I choose to release them now. Even though I may feel blocked in my ability to communicate openly and honestly, I trust that my voice matters. Even though I may struggle to find the right words, I choose to speak from the depth of my heart with love and compassion. Even though I may have silenced my voice out of fear of insecurity, I choose to reclaim my power to speak my truth. Even though I may have neglected my own needs in favor of pleasing others, I now prioritize my own authenticity. Even though I may have doubted the value of my voice, I recognize that it has the power to inspire, heal, and uplift. I deeply and completely accept myself. I choose to speak with confidence and authenticity. I trust in the power of my voice to create positive change. I choose to release them now. I trust that my voice matters. I choose to speak from the depth of my heart with love and compassion. I choose to reclaim my power to speak my truth. I now prioritize my own authenticity. I recognize that it has the power to inspire, heal, and uplift. I choose to speak with confidence and authenticity. I deeply and completely accept myself. Relax. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Now just feel the energy flowing freely through your throat chakra, allowing you to express yourself with more confidence and clarity. You are worthy, you are heard, and you are empowered. How do you feel now? Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.